Let's discuss this interesting problem. It says that a clock's minute hand has a length 4, suppose OA, and its hour hand has a length 3, that is OB. Find the distance between the tip of the two hands at the moment when it is increasing most rapidly. So we need to find out the length AB when the rate of change of AB is most rapid. So we can say that the rate of change is definitely going to be, the rate of change is going to be maximum. So rate of change of the rate of change is going to be 0 at that particular point. We can say that the derivative is attaining its maximum value. So we can start by calculating the length AB, that is the distance between the two tips, and using cosine rule we can very easily calculate L to be equal to root over 4 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 4 into 3 into cos theta. So this is going to be root over 25 minus 24 cos theta. So this is the length L, which is the distance between the tips of the minute hand and the hour hand. So we can go for the rate of change of L. So dl dt, that is differentiating with respect to time, this is going to give us, using chain rule, it is going to give us 1 by 2 root 25 minus 24 cos theta into 24 sin theta into d theta dt. That is the rate of change of the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand. So we can see that this is coming out to be 12 sin theta divided by root over 25 minus 24 cos theta into, now if we plan for d theta dt, that is the rate of change of the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand. Now as we know that the minute hand covers an angle of 360 degree for basically 1 hour, and an hour hand covers 360 degree for 12 hours. So basically the rate of change of the angle between the two hands has to be constant because they are traversing a given angle 360 degree in a given interval of time. So this d theta dt is not going to be a function of time, so we can consider this d theta dt to be a constant quantity. So dl dt is nothing but 12 sin theta into some constant k divided by root 25 minus 24 cos theta. Now we need to find out that when this dl dt is most rapidly increasing, that is dl dt is attaining its maximum value. So dl dt will achieve its maximum value when d2l dt2 must be equal to 0. So if you go for the double derivative using u by v principle, so that will give us, using u by v, if we do the calculations, so root 25 minus 24 cos theta into 12 cos theta minus 12 sin theta into the derivative of the denominator, so that is going to be, as we have seen in the last case, 12 sin theta by root over 25 minus 24 cos theta, and as we know, using quotient rule, the denominator is coming out to be 25 minus 24 cos theta, and this whole thing is getting multiplied with a constant k. Now dl dt will be maximum when d2l dt2 is equal to 0, so we should equate this to be 0 to get an equation that is going to be 25 minus 24 cos theta into 12 cos theta, which is the numerator, should be equal to 12 into 12 sine square theta. So this 12 is getting cancelled out and we are getting an equation that is 25 cos theta minus 24 cos square theta is equal to 12 minus 12 cos square theta. So ultimately we are getting a quadratic equation in terms of cos theta. So we are getting 12 cos square theta minus 25 cos theta plus 12 is equal to 0, and you can see that we can very easily middle term factorize this as 3 cos theta minus 4 into 4 cos theta minus 3 equal to 0. So we are getting two values of cos theta from here, for which d2l dt2 is 0, that is cos theta equal to 4 by 3 and 3 by 4. Now closely inspect, if we do, then we can see that cos theta cannot be 4 by 3 because cos theta cannot be more than 1. So cos theta equal to 3 by 4. So this is the only critical point that is left out. So definitely the maximum value is definitely going to be attaining for cos theta equal to 3 by 4. So we can say that the distance will be maximum when cos theta is 3 by 4. So AB max will be, if we go through the formula of AB, it was root 25 minus 24 cos theta. So AB max is coming out to be root over 25 minus 24 into the corresponding value of cos theta is 3 by 4. So AB max is going to be root 7 unit. So this is going to be the answer.